In this video, I'm going to show you how to cash out in 1xbet. It will be very simple to do. Before continuing the video, I will invite you to create a 1xbet professional account by coming and clicking here to registration. Now you will come and click right down here to by email, which will be the full inscription. You will come right up to your promotional code BOTV, whereby entering this promotional code, you will get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will receive $30. Continue the video. Firstly, you will come and click on menu. Now you will come up to your settings right up. By clicking down on your settings, you will come and click on withdraw from account. So after you have clicked on withdraw funds or withdraw on account, you will now select a method so as to withdraw your money or to cash out. You have many methods for that. For example, you can use the bank card as an example. If you take Visa and you click on it now, you will see that there will be many options for you, information that you must put there so as to cash out your money from 1xbet. By taking Visa, you must put your card number. You must also put first the amount of money that you want to remove, the card holder, which means first name, short name, date of expiration, until the city. After that, you will just confirm so as to cash out from 1xbet, and it is as simple as that.